Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to add a custom token on Coinbase Wallet. Tap the sign up in your corner and the mine wallet screen, search on the token, and if token is not available you see no asset found message with add the custom token bottom, and using BCS scan and the 436k search for token that will add it. You need to find the contact address and tap the address add custom token button, then make sure to have select the correct network. For this guide you need to select smart or supported network, since the token is to Binance Smart Chain, and use your QR code scanner and easily get this token detail and scanner icon and paste it after pasting scanning the contact address. The other detail like name, symbol, and the claims, they will be automatically find it there manually, and tap save continue, and you have successfully added custom token and the listed coin market cap price information. Your request save to token added on the code base. I found guys this video helpful. Like this video for more content.